And next comes the basic features of tertiary sector. Tertiary sector, as we spoke about, mainly the service sector, with different services being provided, like we talked about the banking sector, insurance sector, transport, telecommunication, education, health. All these are the different services being provided. Now, support services to primary and secondary sector, very important. This tertiary sector is actually providing a lot of support services. You think of the agricultural sector, whatever food crops are being produced, if they are not being able to, if they are not properly being, or at the right time they are not being brought to the market, they cannot be marketed. So for that you need better, good transport services. Okay. Raw materials to the factories and the finished products from the factories. Raw materials to the factories and the finished product from the factories. Good communication system, good telecommunication system, good transport services, good banking services. All these are needed for the proper functioning of the primary and the secondary sector. For the proper functioning of the industries, different transactions being taking place, goods being purchased. So all these support needed for the industrial activities to be performed in a very perfect way, or the smooth running of the industrial activities, for the smooth running of the agricultural activities, you need these support services which are provided by the service sector. Now the service sector is giving so many services. It does not produce, bank does not produce any physical goods. Okay. So this particular industry, the service sector does not, or the tertiary sector does not produce any physical goods, or what we call tangible goods. Tangible means we can touch and feel, like the physical goods we are talking about. So it's a support services being provided. Okay. You are talking over phone, no good is being produced, it's a service. They are giving you a network service, and with the help of that network service, with the help of the satellite service, you can talk over distances. Okay. Utility created through consumption. Now when you are talking to your friend, when you are talking to your relatives, when you are using the internet, you are having some of your purpose is being solved. Utility is created. For a consumer, when we are consuming the data, when we are consuming the service of the network or the service provider, we definitely, our purpose is being solved. We are some utility is being created for us. Satisfaction or utility is being created for us. Okay, for the consumer, as we consume those services or we use those services. And for the higher stage of economic development, when the economy is growing and it is going almost towards the economic developed nations, towards the developed nations, what we call the developed nations, the service sector plays a very vital role, because maximum contribution of the service sector exists at higher stages of economic development. So these are the basic features that we have learned about the tertiary sector. And so all the sectors, for the sectors we have completed the basic features you need to study. After this you need to study the differences between these sectors. Okay, thank you. Please note them down carefully and read the text thoroughly. A lot of examples you need to go through, and any portion of the text, if you find any queries coming up to your mind, definitely feel free to ask me, revert back to me, and whatever explanations have been given, listen very carefully, repeatedly, so that the concepts become clear, and then read the text and update your classwork copies. Thank you.